welcome back. So we did have a good amount of cloud cover as made our way through the day today, and just a few showers, especially from North Platte and points off to the south and east. Here's a look at our tower cam time lapse. You can see all the clouds, maybe just a few peaks of sunshine as it's set, and now the clouds have started to diminish. Here's a look at the high temperatures across the region today. Average high for today is 61, so we were a little below that at 56 in North Platte, mid-50s at Thedford, Lexington, and Imperial, in upper 50s as we make your way out toward Ogallala. Valentine actually did hit 60 degrees for the day today. Here's a look at the temperatures outside right now. We've fallen into the mid to upper 40s from North Platte and points off to the east. 34 right now at Ogallala, 39 Imperial, and Hyannis is at 33 degrees. So the winds are pretty light out there, between 0 and 7 miles per hour anywhere you look across the region. Where the wind is blowing, we do have it mainly from an easterly direction, so still bringing out a little moisture in the atmosphere, but not much. The winds aren't really blowing that much. So we have a band of clouds from Broken Bow, Lexington, Curtis, points off to the south. North Platte is becoming partly cloudy to mostly clear. Clear skies and calm winds into our western counties and up toward Valentine. And most of the moisture has now left our viewing area from Arapahoe and points off to the south and off to the east. So this is the last of the moisture we're going to get from this system. It now moves into the Midwest, into the deep south. High pressure is going to replace it. We will get back to a good amount of sunshine, especially by tomorrow afternoon. And as this high moves off to the east, we lose the cool air and get back into more of a southerly wind, and that will warm us up nicely over the next several days. So as we make our way through the rest of the evening, our eastern counties start to have diminishing clouds. Low temperatures into the upper 20s and lower 30s, back to sunshine by the late afternoon tomorrow, and high temperatures getting into the low to mid 60s. The wind also flips around to a nice southerly direction. That'll help us warm up even further. Temperatures going through the overnight Friday into Saturday will fall back into the lower 30s, and then as we go through the day on Saturday, a few more clouds in our northern and western counties, high temperatures into the mid to upper 60s across the region, still with that southerly wind, and temperatures above average for this time of year. So here comes the high pressure system. We got that cool flow from the north that was in place for the last couple of days. So yesterday and today's high only into the low to mid 50s, but that high is going to really crest over us as we go through Friday into Saturday, and then we'll tap into more of a southerly flow and start to warm up. Our next disturbance not really getting here until midweek next week, and then we will start to cool down again. So any of the showers moving off to the east, along with the cool air, a little bit of a dip in the jet stream, mild conditions to our south, dry off to our east. This whole moisture and cool trend, that's going to move off to the east, and we're going to get back to sunshine and cool air, a nice ridge in the jet stream as we will warm it up as we finish out the work week and go through the weekend. Here's the forecast tonight: partly cloudy. It will be cooler than last night, so we'll be into the upper 20s out west, lower 30s from North Platte and points off to the east. Tomorrow, mostly sunny and warmer, with highs getting into the lower 60s. And then for the day on Saturday, sunny skies, and we will be warm and dry with temperatures into the mid to upper 60s, the wind mainly from a southwesterly direction, around 5 to 15 miles per hour. That's one of the reasons why we do warm up pretty nicely. Temperatures are going to stay above average for this time of year. Few more clouds on Sunday, but we still stay mainly dry. Then for Halloween on Monday, temperatures into the upper 60s, lots of sunshine, sunny skies for the day on Tuesday, making it into the lower 70s. Then upper 60s on Wednesday, mostly sunny skies, and we'll complete the 7-day period dry with partly cloudy skies on Thursday, still warm for this time of year with a high of 67 degrees. Kent?
At least for tomorrow and the first part of the weekend, temperatures will be not too far off from what they should be.
Yeah, just a few degrees above average, which feels pretty good with the sunshine.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks so much, Justin. And billionaire Elon Musk visited Twitter headquarters in San Francisco on Wednesday.